looks ready and that you really don't need to put in any more contact lens solution or baking soda or whatever activator you're using. Because you can also use borax, but I use contact lens solution and baking soda because it's safer. Okay, so mine is actually all the way done.
But I'm not going to do that today because then I will have to go inside to get my lotion. And sorry for my voice, is something's just going on. Okay. I'm taking off the plastic film. And I'm going to throw this in the trash. And yeah. So this is the slime. It's really pokey and satisfying and crunchy. Oops, that was bad. But this is the slime. It's kind of busy, but it's also really cute. It actually kind of looks like a Valentine's Day slime. Seriously though, look at it. Isn't it pretty? And that's also kind of funny because I'm wearing red too. And that was just a coincidence. Okay guys, I'm back. I have all of the colors from the rock and the rock nudes onto my desk. I did that. So I'm just mixing it in and it's like getting all over my fingers and I really don't like that. And so this slime will get some more slimes. So all of these are clear slimes. This one is a clear slime with foam beads. Bit guys, that in some areas, but ridiculously. Oh, we're gonna start off with the lipstick. Just gonna smudge that. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.